Can you even imagine not shopping online anymore? Online shopping in 2020 hit almost $4 trillion. So if you're not selling online, you are missing out on some big revenue. However, for every successful business selling online, there are a lot that have tried and have failed. Also, there are so many online vendors, they are probably already selling what you want to sell. So the first major challenge you'll face is what to sell, how to select the profitable and trending products to market online, and what makes a product a good product to sell. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring new videos to help you make money and give you the life you want. In this week's video, we'll show you a step-by-step process on how to identify a good product, identify the opportunities to sell online, the tools that can help you, and how to locate suppliers and find the best platform to sell your products online. So what makes a good product? There are so many products out there already. For a number of reasons, however, some products sell more than others. If you want to make it big in online selling, you need to be selling good products. If you look through the best sellers on different platforms, you'll find some common trends to them all. If you're thinking about what makes a good product, we have some tips and ideas for you right here. A good selling product has a solid value proposition. This forms the foundation of any successful product. A product must solve a particular problem or fill a particular need. No one really wants to spend on a product that serves no purpose. What matters is that that product is needed by the end user. A value proposition that is easy to explain. A product not only needs to solve a need, it must also be easy to explain its use to the target market. Your product shouldn't require complicated explanations or reading through a huge manual before it can be used. A product that fills a need must also be easy to use. A product that doesn't fulfill this requirement will equally not be popular among buyers. This doesn't necessarily mean that it must require a basic knowledge to operate. Ease of use just means that the product shouldn't be too complex for its target market. Has sufficient scalability. A product has to increase in value when more users are added to it. It is the ease in which a product can be utilized to meet changing levels of demand. A good product must be able to increase its value per user than its cost per user. A good product must also generate a need. This means that a good product should be able to increase its importance so much that it becomes invaluable over time, and its loss will be painful to its user. So here are 10 steps to finding the right product to sell online. Of the millions of products that are out there on the market, it's going to be hard to choose which one and market online. How do you separate the profitable ones from the not so profitable ones? Alibaba.com, one of, if not the biggest online selling platform, has identified 10 ways to find the right item. 1. Solve a particular need. If you're looking for an effective product, start with one that provides a solution to a problem. This doesn't necessarily mean you should start looking for a product that solves a brand new problem. Most problems already have a product that solves them. What you can do here is find a product that solves the problem users currently experience with the present product. Satisfy hobbies and passion. Other than buying a product because it solves a particular problem, we also buy stuff just to please our passion or hobbies. This is one of the points you can consider when you want to choose the best products to sell online. Find out what your target users are passionate about and commercialize it. Go with your heart. You can choose to market products or goods you're passionate about, of course. You're going to be taking a risk if you choose a product solely for your own interest. But online selling is about taking some risk. Being motivated and passionate about a product will shine through when you talk about it online. Put your professional experience to good use. If you've been in a particular industry and are already familiar with some products, you can choose to go with this. Rather than going into something entirely new, you could capitalize on the professional experience you've gained over the years. Your expertise in the industry or business will count for something and give you an edge over your competitors. 5. Capitalize on trends. Imagine if you were one of the early vendors that started to sell face masks when the pandemic hit the world. Some manufacturers and vendors were able to jump on this trend early and commercialize on the market. You should be doing the same. Social media can be very helpful in determining or focusing on new trends. Having an eye to predict a need or follow a trend will help you decide which product is best for selling online. 6. Read customer reviews and feedback on existing products. Customer reviews offer the best opportunity for seeing what users want and need. It is through the reviews that you can get to know what and what not the makers of a product have to correct. Whether you're already selling online or you're just planning to, customer reviews on existing products will point you in the right direction. The feedback, complaints, or shortcomings of a product will help you decide the best product to sell online. Find product opportunities in keywords. Every single search indicates the things that we may be willing to spend money on. Researching the keywords on a target market will help you find out a particular product they need. This will also offer you ideas on things that are profitable. Get inspiration from what's trending on online marketplaces. Most online marketplaces have a feature where you can see trending or hot products, whether you want to open your own store or choose to sell on places like Amazon or Alibaba. Checking the trends of online marketplace will highlight the hot goods for you. You can choose to sell the product currently on hot demand. Search for related products of top selling products. This is an offshoot from searching popular items. Some marketplaces offer things like people bought this also bought this. Similar recommendation items, product customers frequently buy together, related sponsored products. 10. Test run a product before you launch. The best products are the ones bringing in money. Testing the water can lead you to finding the ideal product you should be selling online. For a lot of reasons, a new product that appears great may not perform well during sales. The feedback you get on each product will help you determine which is more profitable. Here's a quick overview of other things you need to consider. Is there sufficient demand for the product? A product may be profitable yet not in high demand at a particular moment. Can a product be easily sourced? Easy and continuous access to a product is one of the factors you have to put considerable thought to. Is your product easily shippable? If you choose to sell on an international marketplace, your buyers can come from all over the world, and the goods will have to be shipped to their international address at a cheap rate customers expect. If you choose to limit the sales of your product due to shipping reasons, you'll be foregoing access to a bigger international market. Tools and platforms to find profitable products. With the proper use of online tools, you will be able to adapt the processes and scale your business. Some of the tools you should be looking at are 1. Online stores sales data. The best-selling items, trending items or hot products will give you an insight into what you should probably be selling. 2. Trend spotting tools. Following trends can be difficult, however, there are a few tools that can help you. The Trend Hunter prides itself as the #1 trends, innovation and trend spotting community in the world. It makes use of data, artificial intelligence and real humans to identify consumer cravings. BuzzSumo. This tool can be used to run content research, influencer searches and question analysis. The results will be pulled from forums and e-commerce sites. Trend Watching uses its technology to scan promising trends, insights and useful opportunities for your online business. The online tool will also help you understand new customers and find the right profitable products to sell. Springwise is powered by a network of more than 20,000 trend spotters in about 190 countries and is a valuable source for business intelligence. Its website curates up-to-date trends and gives you insights on how to identify the most feasible products to sell online. Google Trends. This is a simple yet great tool for exploring trends on what people are actually searching for. You can use Google Trends to research specific products, find out the level of popularity, and even where they are popular. 3. Business and product review sites. Majority of online buyers read product reviews before going ahead and buying it. Business and product reviews play a vital role for consumers. The reviews can steer you towards or away from a product. There are tools to help you with this as well. Google gives you update on research trends and reviews on industry benchmarks and consumers' insights. The Think with Google is a valuable tool to search for emerging hot products to determine which are popular in your niche. Consumer Inspector. If you're a subscribed online store owner, you can use the Consumer Inspector tool to search the products of more than 300,000 online stores, locate the hot products, and even analyse the product sales of your competitors. Consumer Reports. This independent testing company gives you unbiased ratings and reviews of more than 9,000 products and services. Its ratings and reviews can be used to gauge public opinion about certain products in your niche. Best Products. Spend all their time towards researching and conducting proactive tests on products. The site conducts and reviews consumer feedback on products. This site has a list of recommendations for most product categories. 4. Social media. Social media platforms offer various direct and indirect ways to conduct research and analyse market trends. Some popular social media sites that will assist you in choosing the best products to sell online would include Twitter, as it is an ideal medium to measure public opinion about a niche or a product. You can make use of the tailor-made trends or lists to find the information you need about top-selling or emerging products. Instagram. With more than 1 billion users worldwide due to its popular usage, it has become a vital research tool for SMEs. Reddit is a network of communities based on the interest of people. Importantly, it is also one of the most popular aggregates of public opinion. As a social platform, it makes use of upvote and downvotes. You can discern public perceptions by following the votes of people on various topics or selected products. How to choose for your e-commerce products. Now you have found a niche for yourself and found some good products, you still have to decide where you are going to get them. The different options will have implications on your business. It's hard to say one option is better than the other. It depends on which is more suitable to you at a period in time. Depending on your convenience or circumstances, you can decide to use one or even combine any of the following options. Manufacturing your own products. You'll have full control over your business and be able to explore your own creativity. You will, however, have to worry about the cost of goods. This includes the sourcing of raw material, investing your time, and of course working out other logistics involved. Purchase from a manufacturer or wholesaler. You could choose to partner with a manufacturer to buy directly from them. If you partner with a manufacturer, you can input your own suggestions and tailor the products to your needs. On the other end, you can just buy already made products in bulk and sell them on your online platform. Dropshipping. This sourcing method allows you to directly purchase products from a vendor and then list them on e-commerce sites. When you dropship, you can sell products online without having to deal with the storing inventory. The vendor will charge you for the products and then ship it on your behalf. Start selling on Amazon and Alibaba today. All the guides and tricks on this video come down to one thing. You need to have a viable place to sell your products online. Use either Alibaba or Amazon, as they both offer an international platform that gives you access to millions of international buyers. They will provide you with the largest B2B platform where you can sell to millions of consumers and retailers around the world. Whichever you decide, let us know how you get on. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.